Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 20 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.2, question number 9, 1. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Solution. Let y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So put x is equal to tan A, and therefore tan inverse x is equal to A. Now y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square A upon sec square A. Now therefore y is equal to cos inverse 1 upon sec square A minus sin square A upon cos square A into cosec square A. Okay. Now therefore cos inverse cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Because this and this get cancelled. Sin square A and is equal to cos inverse cos 2A, and therefore y is equal to 2A. Now y is equal to, for A you substitute tan inverse x. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx is equal to 2 d dx tan inverse x is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Question number 2. Tan inverse 2 upon x 2x upon 1 minus x square. Solution. Let y is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta, and therefore tan inverse x is equal to theta. Y is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan inverse 2 sin theta upon cos theta, or what? Now this is equal to tan. This is a formula. Here you use formula. Tan inverse 2 tan theta means tan theta plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, and this is equal to tan inverse, this is tan 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to 2 theta is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx is equal to 2 d dx tan inverse x and is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Question number 3. Sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta, and therefore tan inverse x is equal to theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to sin inverse cot theta, cot 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to sin inverse sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx is equal to t dx pi by 2 minus 2 d dx tan inverse is equal tan inverse x is equal to theta minus 0 minus 2 upon 1 plus x square, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Question number 4. Sin inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square. Let y is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to sin theta. Sin inverse x is equal to theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into root 1 minus sin square theta. This is equal to cos square theta. Root you omit and write down cos theta. So y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to 2 theta and is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to 2 d dx sin inverse x and is equal to 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay. Question number 5. Cos inverse 3x minus 4 upon 4x cube. Let y is equal to cos inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Put x is equal to sin theta, and therefore sin inverse x is equal to theta, and y is equal to cos inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is equal to sin 3 theta. So y is equal to cos inverse sin 3 theta, and therefore cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus 3 theta. So in this case I am using all trigonometric formulas. So if your basic is good, then you can solve this question very easily. Okay. And therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 theta. So pi by 2 minus 3 sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx pi by 2 minus 3 d dx sin inverse x. So this is constant 0 minus 3 upon under root 1 minus x square, and therefore derivative is equal to minus 3 upon root 1 minus x square. Question number 6. Cos inverse e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. So solution. Let y is equal to cos inverse e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to cos inverse e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x upon e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x. So I simplify this. So therefore cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus plus 1. Put e raised to x is equal to tan theta, and therefore tan inverse e raised to x is equal to theta. Y is equal to cos inverse tan square theta minus 1 upon tan square theta plus 1. So is equal to tan square minus 1 upon sec square theta, and this is equal to sin inverse sin square theta minus cos square theta, and this is cos inverse minus cos 2 theta, and therefore cos inverse is equal to cos minus theta, and therefore y is equal to minus 2 theta. Y is equal to minus 2 theta. So is equal to minus 2 tan inverse e raised to x. Dy dx is equal to minus 2 d dx tan inverse e raised to x is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus e raised to x square, and again the derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 2 e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to 2x. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.